Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Max here from Suela Media Production in SD. You know, that's where we're based. So yeah, on this tutorial, I want to show you how to edit many pictures at the same time. I'm about to do some images here for a client. She requested that I send just a few images from the shoot we had uh, a week ago. So the past weekend. So yeah, let me show you how I go about and edit many images at the same time using Photoshop. I've went to File, went to uh, Script, went to, okay, yeah, let me show you. File, Script, Image Processor. I click on Image Processor. But before you come here, I'll show you. I'll show you just now. Before you come here, you need to create the action that you want to apply on the script, so on the image processor. So yeah, I've already created the action, which is I've saved it. These are the actions that I've created. I'll show you how to create the action, but for now, let me show you how to use the action. In case you already know how to maybe do actions by yourself. Yeah, basically, I just have to select the folder with the images that I want to edit. Here's the folder. Um, I've selected the images because some images don't look the same even from the same photoshoot session, but yeah, images don't come out always the same uh, in terms of lighting and many other different aspects, you know. So these images are for the deco just before people came in. So yeah, I've selected these images, separated them into a new folder, of which I'm opening it now, loading it into the image processor. Then you choose where you want the files to, the edited files to be saved. You know, so yeah, you can save on the same folder, where the images are that you are editing. You can save on that same folder. It will create a subfolder there where it will load the new images in. Then after choosing where, if you want to select a different folder, you come here, you select the folder, you select the folder, you know. But yeah, on my case, I want them to be saved on the same folder, on the same location, you know. Yeah, what else? Here is the quality. You have to select the quality. 12 is the highest quality. You can choose 3, which is if you want to reduce the size of the pictures, but yeah, it will also deter with the quality a bit. So yeah, I like to put it on maximum. And if you want to save as PSD, you can save, but then I won't recommend this because it will create a bunch of Photoshop projects from the images, whereby there is no need to create those because yeah. So we run action. Let's click on run action. We don't need the PSDs because there is no more edits that we need to do on the pictures after this saving. So yeah, we won't need to click on the save as PSD. So let's click on run. I just thought, yeah, let me show you this trick because yeah, maybe you might have the same issue whereby you need to edit a number of images, but then you might have the time, but you don't have the energy. Yeah. You know, the images are done. It was just 9 images. On this case, I just wanted to show you. Also, it's just the client who wanted these few images, you know, for the deco. So I decided I might just as well do a tutorial just to show you guys how I go about. Yeah, these are the images. These are the edited images. I think they're looking better. They're looking fine. They're looking fine. Yeah, they're looking fine. They're looking fine. So yeah, let me show you the ones before editing. These are the ones before editing. Yeah, they're looking fine, but they needed to touch up a little bit. So yeah, I've just touched up the curves, um, the curve, the levels, and the vibrance a little bit, just to make them. No much editing, no much edit, nothing much, nothing much. Basically, just touching up there and there, and then I think everything is fine. Okay, I've just shown you how to use the action, but first of all, I should have shown you how to. I should have shown you how to create the action, not how to use the action. But now we've jumped to the upper class before even learning how to create the action from the first place. So now let me show you how to create an action. I've shown you how to use an action, but let's go about and create a new action. To create a new action, like there's many actions that you can create, but now let me create one just to show you. Yeah, I've loaded this image. It's not looking good, this image. I'm going to actions. I'll go to this small circle to show that no, first I have to create a new action by clicking here. I name the action, let me just say tutorial, and I click on record. You can see that this red circle is now red, which means everything that I'm gonna be doing on this image is going to be recorded, so that I can take the same actions and apply them on many other pictures, like I've just did on just recently when we were editing the bunch or the batch of images. So yeah, now every action that we're gonna be doing here, every action is gonna be recorded. So let's go to, you can watch here, below the tutor. Everything that I'm going is going to be added there. So let's go curves. Curves must be added there. Okay, let me tweak the curves a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. So the picture is looking a little bit better, just with only the curves. You see the curves are added here now. Let me go to vibrance. Vibrance. It's been a while since I did a tutorial, so I thought, let me just do something. I hope someone out there will be helped. This is the vibrance. You see the image is now looking better. You see the before, you see the after. So to stop the recording, because we are recording here, everything that we've been doing is getting saved here. Everything that we've been doing is getting saved. So I can't see the vibrance saved. Let me put it back. See the vibrance is being added here. Yeah. So I think the image is fine now. The image is fine. What I'm left to do is to stop the recording. After stopping the recording, I can then apply this same action to a bunch of other images. I can just close this one without saving because I already, let me import it again just to show you how to then apply the curves on the same image. We go to apply the actions. We go to actions, we go to tutor, we go to click on that play button. You see the action has been automatically applied on this image. So let me show you now what we did basically before, what we already did, just to recap you guys. We went to file, now we're editing the bunch of images. We went to file, we went to script, went to image processor, we select the folder we want to edit from. Let me delete this one. We have already edited the images. Okay, we open the folder, everything is sorted, we are on maximum. Now we need to come here on preferences and load the tutorial action that we created. This is the tutor that we created, I think you can see. Yeah, after loading this, we check if everything else is okay. We are saving on the same folder, we are on high quality, everything is proper, and then we click on run. We let the processor do its own thing, you know. Yeah, we let the processor do its own thing. After that, we'll go and check the images, just 9 of them, so it won't take long. I didn't want to also take a long time here processing the images while you guys wait. So yeah, this is just to show you, you see the difference. Better now, better now. This one is a bit darker, this one's, yeah, okay. I'll have to use those images. I'll have to pick a few and let go of a few. No, I like these ones of the cake. These ones, they look better than the first action we did. So yeah guys, that's my job now. I'll have to arrange the images. But yeah, I think you've got the lesson of the day, how to edit a couple or many images at the same time. It may be 50, it may be 100, I don't know the limit, but yeah, I haven't reached any limit. I've edited even more than 200 images at the same time. So yeah, it's the best application or trick that you can do if you have like many images. Like me, I'm a photographer, so I take a lot of wedding, birthdays and stuff. So yeah, find that there's a lot of images that need to be edited, but then it's so much time consuming. So yeah, ever since I've learned this way, I think it's better now. I think it's I removed some of the load of work from my shoulders. So yeah, thank you to Photoshop and the plugin for editing many images, the actions, the processor, and everything. So thank you guys again for watching, and up until this far, remember to subscribe, remember to follow the page for more, to follow the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you. See you again on the next video. Keep well, keep safe.